Hi, Chris here, Martin Atkinson, Specialist Vans. Just got a video preview, one of our latest Transporter 4Motion Kombi vans. This one is a 74 registration, so new registration plate. It's finished in pure grey and it's the Highline Kombi van 204 PS DSG automatic gearbox, 4Motion as I said. Very rare, none of these available anymore as a new vehicle. So this one's brand new delivery mileage, registered to ourselves. Just walk around the vehicle to start with. As you can see, it's had the usual MASV styling pack, which includes things like the 20-inch velour gloss wheels and Rain Sport Uniroyal tyres. The black mirror caps and surrounds. Privacy glass to the side loading doors, near and offside. Trapeze sidebars. Smoked rear taillight cluster. Gloss black tailgate spoiler. And the matte and gloss badging. Now this one is our final 74 plate 4Motion Kombi van available. These vehicles are no longer produced by Volkswagen, so very desirable. Done some special touches on this one, with it being the final one. So we've fitted what they call the LVR kit. So basically this one's had a new front bumper section, gives it that real sporty appearance. It's also had the LVR rear lower diffuser and tailgate spoiler. Looks really neat now. Fitted this bespoke leather interior. Now this one's specially designed by ourselves and made in the UK. Premium Napa leather. Red contrast stitching detailing. So some of the additional factory options, the additional differential lock. It's got the full screen Discover Media navigation, which includes Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, twin side electric doors, heated seats, LED headlamps and tail lights. And then the doors are opening. MASV embossed the seats, all ties in with our pack. And this one's also been carpet lined in the rear. Sound deadened throughout the vehicle to the front cabin. It's had the Alcantara roof lining with the 4 LED downlights as well. All neatly trimmed. Reverse camera, that's another additional factory option. This one's got what we call a 2+1 rear seat. So basically the near side, the seat can be removed or tipped up to give you access to the rear load space. Handle there, just flick it back up. Now all these 3 seats are fully removable, or they do the back rake fold onto the bottom piece of the seat to give you more space for long loads. LED headlights, as I said. Now this vehicle will be live on our website shortly, www.martinatkinsonvans.co.uk. The full factory specification and all the additional factory options will be listed on the vehicle as well. Available for immediate delivery. And as I say, it's one of the last 74 plate 4Motion Kombi vans with the Diff Lock available on the internet today. Comes with a balance of the manufacturer's warranty until September 27 and the 3-year roadside assistance which comes on the new vehicle. Any further information, please give myself Chris a call on 07888 9877. Thanks for watching. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.